What's up, guys? So this is a little video about why Jack Lalanne is probably rolling around in his grave right now. And if you don't know who Jack Lalanne is, actually I don't think there's a person who doesn't know who Jack Lalanne is. The guy invented the juicer, the Jack Lalanne power juicer, right? And what a lot of people don't know is that like all of the crazy, ridiculous feats of strength that he did, such as swam the length of the Golden Gate Bridge underwater with 1,000 pounds in a boat. He swam with 180 pounds of gear. He pulled boats like filled with people. He pulled and usually with his hands shackled. So it's just ridiculous things. He did 1,000 chin-ups and 1,000 push-ups in an hour and something minutes. He did a lot of crazy stuff. Reading his quotes is pretty awesome, and actually watching a lot of his videos is pretty cool because his message is that basically hey, the stuff is very simple. There's nothing new or fancy that you need to do in order to maximize not only just, oh yeah, I want to be healthy, but to look better, to be lean, lose body fat, build muscle. It's very simple stuff. Move, exercise every day, eat less food than what you're doing. If you're trying to lose weight, eat less food. So I can only imagine. I would have loved to. He passed away at 96 in 2011, I believe. But it would have been interesting to know his opinion on all the fads and all the trends that have come and gone during his 96 years. Meanwhile, he was pretty much preaching what we talk about every day at San Jose Barbell, which is like, hey, get as strong as possible. That's step one. Just, make your daily deposits. You're not looking for perfect workouts. You're looking for making a deposit. So a 20-minute workout or a 5-minute workout is a much better way to go if you do that on a regular basis versus waiting for the right time because you're just so busy. Well, guess what? You're gonna be dead, and then you won't be able to work out at all. So you gotta make the time, whether it's 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Don't worry about making a perfect workout. Worry about, am I making my deposit today? That's it. And so same way as it works in a bank, if you make enough small deposits on a regular basis every single day, every week, no matter what, you're gonna end up with way more than the person who's just waiting till they can deposit 10,000, because that person might not deposit anything this year because they're too busy waiting, right? So remember that the next time you come across the Fit Tee or the waist trainer belt, bulletproof coffee, or any other shenanigans like that, eat vegetables, eat fruit, or juice them, right? Shout out Jack Lalanne. Obviously calories matter, but we won't get into that discussion. Get enough protein, get strong, get enough sleep, drink enough water, stay active, make your deposits. That's the key, right? That's the secret. Not what else is newest and most fashionable online. The jazzercise machine, which is a ball that you chew to exercise your jaw. But anyways, you can do whatever you want. This is just advice. This is Coach Rambeer from San Jose Barbell. Have a fantastic day, ladies and gentlemen.